ignore what's happening with what I look like. But I got my winter Fabfitfun box, finally. Literally, it went out for shipping like a month ago. So, sorry about that. Let me try to sit there. Okay. It went out for shipping like a month ago, so I've been waiting for it. It was like sitting in one spot for like over a week. I don't know, but we're gonna open it. I don't even remember what I picked. I do remember, however, being not impressed with the options. This is my last Fabfitfun box. I paid for it through the year. And this is the last one, I believe. I'm pretty sure this is my 4th one. So yeah, I'm not that impressed with it, to be honest. Like, I just feel like all the times I didn't get it, when I watched people unbox it, I'm like, oh my god, I wish I got it, I wish I got it. And then once I signed up, I'm like, ugh. So the first one I got, I liked. There was some home things in it, like a frying pan and like a little like charcuterie board thing. But yeah, I don't remember. This is kind of heavy, so we're just gonna get into it. I paid for this myself. They did send me one once, like a year or 2 ago, which I thought was very nice of them. But yeah, a lot of the times, just like the options aren't for me, and there's like, they do a lot of skincare, which I love, but like there's always so much fragrance in the product, so I can't use them. So yeah, I don't know. I don't even remember what I picked. I might end up gifting some of this stuff. I don't know. I like the box. I also like that they're like now recyclable and like not shiny anymore. I like the whole winter vibe. Okay, there's one thing I'm looking at that I'm like, oh, that's not bad. Okay, so we have our little magazine. It has some stickers, which is kind of dumb in my opinion. I mean, I don't know, what am I gonna do with that? We have a coupon, paper, and then lots of these little things, which I just, they get everywhere. Okay, and then we have some more, like an HBO Max 14-day trial. I already have HBO Max, so I don't need that. Okay, what's this? I don't remember picking this, so I guess this is a free sample. It's a liquid IV Meet Your Multipliers 360 Wellness Starter Pack. It's like a powder you put into your water, and it like multiplies your hydration level. Oh, so there's one hydration multiplier, one energy multiplier, and one hydration multiplier plus immune support. Okay, well that was free. That's pretty cool. I guess I'll try that. Where do we begin? I got a puzzle. This is the one I was like, are you kidding? Like, there's nothing I wanted, so I picked the 500-piece puzzle. Like, honestly, when am I gonna do this? It's cute and everything, but like, I just don't see myself doing this. Like, I'm not gonna give it as a gift, but like, I guess it's good to have when there's like a storm or something. I don't know, but yeah, that was like not something I was excited about. And the price on that is definitely, let's look in the magazine, is definitely more than like I would ever spend on a puzzle. I just want to see where all the products are and like see the prices of them. I don't know. I'm losing my mind. Okay. Now we have a little box with Australian certified toxic free through a profound, what is it? Grown Alchemist body cream. Okay. Again, not something I really need, but if we like it, we like it. Okay, it's a cute little thing. Mandarin rosemary leaf. You might not like that. Oh, you gotta pop it. I don't want to pop it, because then how am I supposed to give it to someone if I don't like it? Oh, it's not bad. It's very like, how would I describe that? Like spa like it smells like eucalyptus. I like it though. I don't know if I'll love it. I'm pretty sure I checked the ingredients. It's vegan and cruelty free and stuff, and it's like a cute bottle. I like that, so that's not bad. Like, I'm not complaining about it. I just don't love it. Like, if I had the $40-50 I spent on this box, I wouldn't be buying this or a puzzle, you know. This one's kind of okay. Again, I would not spend the money on it. The Briogeo Curl Charisma leave-in defining cream. To be honest, my perm is clearly like falling. It's not what it once was, so like I don't really need this. I don't know, let's just smell it. I don't know, Briogeo is supposed to be good, so like I'll definitely use it, but like this is like a big ass container. I just don't need it. Ugh, what's this one? Collagen Serum by Dr. Brandt. I don't remember picking this. There's lavender oil in it, so I just don't feel like I would have picked this. And linalool and geraniol and limonene. I don't know, I just don't think I would have picked this. Did I pick this? I'm gonna have to check, because I don't think I picked this. And it doesn't come in a box like that. It's just kind of, I don't know. I can give it to my mom. I don't know. Okay, lots and lots of things. Okay, this nesting bowl set, which again I don't really need. I'm like moving in a few months, and like I don't know. So I got this. It's a short stories nesting bowl set. I think it was 3 bowls, small, medium, and large. So let's open it. I don't even remember what it looks like. I'm gonna say it like probably doesn't look like my favorite, something I would have picked out, but they're just black and white little bowls. So I mean, I'm gonna put them back in here so they don't break. They're heavy. I don't know. Like right now, I have one more thing I think in here, and like I'm not feeling like this was worth it by any means at all. So yeah, okay, so then I have a bag, which is just like, are you kidding? This is like just a tote bag. Like, would I've ever bought this? No. Like, this is something that should come free with a purchase. Like, it's a Herschel trademark. Like, it's a nice canvas bag. I'll probably use it for like groceries, but like all of this, like I'm just kind of like, what? Like, does that excite you? Do any of those things excite you? Ugh, I'm like glad I'm done with this. I'm annoyed that I spent the money on it. I don't think it was worth it. Like, I feel really bad. Like, I don't know. Like, I'm just like, I want to work for freaking Fabfitfun and like curate these boxes, because I just don't think whoever's doing it is like doing that great of a job. Like, maybe you guys love this stuff. Like, maybe you'd be so happy to have this stuff. And like, if anyone gifted me these things, except for like the collagen serum, I guess, like I'd be like, oh wow, it's really nice. Like, I'd like it and get use out of it, but like it's not something I would spend my own money on. Any of these things would I have gone out and purchased on my own. It's just, maybe it's just like that thing where like the grass is always greener. Like, I see people do unboxings and like I'm like, wow, that looks awesome. Like, I wish I could have got that. But now I'm like, nah. Like, I'm not upset that this is ending. Like, I kind of like the excitement of having the box and like opening it, but like I'm always disappointed. So yeah, I just don't think these boxes are for me. I think I'm such a particular type of person when I shop for anything that this just like, it's not for me. Like, I feel like if you like surprises and like you don't read into the ingredients in your products and stuff, like this might be for you, but it's just not for me. So yeah, that's a bummer, but it is what it is. So that's my Fabfitfun video. So unless they want to send me another one for free for me to try, like I'm just always gonna be honest though. So I just like honestly, what I'm most excited about is this free hydration packet. That was like a gift I didn't even know I was getting. So like, I'm gonna use this box probably more than any of the other things. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys soon.